We are going over least common multiples. It's super simple. It's not that hard to do. The instructions here make it seem a little bit complicated, but that's okay because I'm going to explain it to you. So to find the least common multiples of a certain number, you just need to write out the multiples. So for example, we're finding the least common multiple, or finding the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So these are all just numbers that 3 multiplies with. And then there's another example, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And if you don't know your multiples off the top of your head, that's okay. You can go to your trusty multiplication table and you'll have all the multiples listed out right there. So now what we need to do is we need to find the first common, which means the same value. So 3, 5, those aren't the same. 6, 10, those aren't the same. 9, nope. 5 doesn't have a 9, but they do have a 15. And if I scoot down a little bit more, I see that 3 has a 15. So 15 is the least common multiple of 3 and 5. So that's basically what we're going to be doing for this page. We're just finding the least common multiples. So let's see. Now we need to find the multiples of 4. So we got 4, 8, 12, 16. You can keep going if you want, but I'm just going to stop at 16 because I know that 3 and 4, they have a common multiple that's not past 16. Okay, next we're going to find our multiples of 3, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so I'm going to go and look. 4, 3, nope. 8, 6, nope. 12, oh, I see I have a 12 here, and I also have a 12 here. So that means the first common multiple on both lists is the least common multiple, and the least common multiple is 12. Okay, hopefully this helped you out. You can go ahead and find this page on our Google Classrooms if you don't already have it on you, and you'll be able to find the answers for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4.